Joseph here from Eightcap. Welcome to today's update. So we hope the community is doing well on this Thursday. We are looking at the Great Britain pound US dollar on the daily. Now, this very similar pattern on the EURUSD as well. And what we are looking at is this point here yesterday where we saw a fair bit of rejection from buyers after sellers really failed to move the market back down below through this area here. Looks to be some demand there. It's off a previous point of resistance, which is technically on the buy side is okay to see. We do have a new, a new trend starting after a nice trend break, and we can just put that line in there so we can see the break of trend here. The dollar momentum at the moment, it remains patchy. We did see yesterday a pullback, and we are looking to see if we're going to have a continuation lower. Now, if we do see that continuation lower, it's going to help the pound. It's also going to help the euro, which is also showing a similar pattern, which we'll touch on in a second. But we can see that, yeah, obviously, if US dollar momentum continues lower, we're going to look for this market here to continue higher, and we're going to look. We really want to see today's session close higher, just to reinforce that rejection yesterday from buyers. Now, if we see more selling down and a lower close around this area here, don't think about anything on the long side at the moment. So we really want to see today's close up higher, and we want to see a semi-decent close today as well. It would be nice if we did see a close above this area here, just signaling that buyers are really back in control, and that continuation is looking to get going. So we can see that failed high at resistance. Now that's an area to watch out for if we do see buying get back up to this area, just to see what happens there if we do see further rejection from sellers or if buyers are able to break through it. And we can see a bit of a shrinking body on this retracement, which is good to see, and we can see the moving averages pointing up quite nicely, and we can see that break a trend there. We have a consolidation here. It comes off support in the initial move up. It's broken above resistance levels, so it did fail at this one, but it has beaten two, and it did sort of show a confirmation of a breakout. So everything at this stage does look pretty good in terms of the lead up. Now we just need to see the confirmation. So I thought I'd do this video because it isn't really looking at a confirmation that has already occurred. What we're trying to do in this position is forecast the confirmation. So we're looking at all the evidence that sort of dictates to us that there could be further buying, and now we are trying to see, based on a bit of good old-fashioned patience, if we do get confirmation. So I would like to see, that higher close today, just to signal that buyers are in control and that we could see this retracement here turn into a new continuation. That's price target 1 for buyers if we do see it occur, and then as we move up, this will be price target 2, and then we'll go from there. But if this bar fails to hold green today, it's definitely a wait, and wouldn't be looking at any action at all. So we really need to see a higher close today, just to signal that buyers are in control, and then we'll go from there with a break of that high to try and trigger an entry on a long position. So the euro is in a similar position to the USD. You can take a look at it. It had a better close yesterday, and we are seeing further buying today. So if we did see a move above yesterday's high, that could signal a long entry as well. So, but it all comes down to as well the US dollar continuing to maintain its downward momentum. So we'll continue to have a look at the pound and the euro and see if we do see continuation patterns continue to confirm today. So that's it for today's update. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them on the video, and until our next update, good trading and bye for now.